I've just been eating a lot of numbers, about 5 chocolate advent calendar. Then, oh my goodness, because in the morning there was snow out there. The first thing in the morning, woke up at 6 o'clock a.m. I got a lot to say because I heard like Chicago Blackhawks, mostly the jerk one, Nashville Predators, because we hate it all. And we have the stages, Frightly, I'll Be the Best, the first time ever. After all, it comes out, really hear that crowded cheering in the United Centers in the city of Chicago. Every time Skates was all the way here in city of Chicago, where people come by, see everywhere.